So StepUp app pedometer step counter. So let's just take a look. This app entered the top charts of the fitness apps. It's these days it's in top 100 overall apps in United States, which is super amazing. So let's just take a look. Simple, elegant, free step tracker. Completing with friends is so fun. Motivates me to walk more. Uh, Track your activity, automatically track steps, distance covered, floors climbed, and calories burned every day. StepUp makes step tracking fun and social. Count steps, compete with friends, and be more active together. Work more, lose weight, and get fit and feel great. So at the moment, this is only iPhone app, so they don't have like an Apple Watch app. But there you have it. The cool feature about this app is that you can compete with your friends. So stay motivated with some healthy competition with family, friends, and colleagues. Connect and complete with friends, family, and colleagues on any smartphone or supported wearable. Save battery, achieve your goals. Syncs with Apple Health. So you can sync steps from wearables like Apple Watch, Garmin, within Smith Fit, all of this. But there is no like StepUp Apple Watch app yet. So of course your steps will be synced from those devices. As you can see, it has quite a lot of ratings, this app. And then you just need to enable steps. And then StepUp uses iPhone's built-in fitness tracker. It counts your steps from your pocket, hand, or back. You can also sync wearables like Apple Watch. Daily step goal. You can see that like last week you walked on average 2,340 steps a day. Start with an achievable goal for 7,000, and then you can increase it. 1,000 steps take just 8 minutes, and then let's just take it like that, and then you just have how many steps, and then there also have ActiveBot and ChillBot, which are virtual friends on StepUp, which you can just see like a virtual friend just to make you more accountable. And then, yeah, of course, they offer to create an account. So let's just try it out. Why not? So I'll just try to sign in here. So I'm just signing in. And then here is my account. Invite some friends and start some healthy competition. Then I can just tap to invite friends. Share your unique link to invite friends. Yesterday, week, month. Then you can tap plus to add friends. Here, this is how the link will look like. You can see average steps in June. I don't take my phone with me, like but there you have it. So calorie tracking, you can also enable calorie trackers, and then you can just add all your details, weight, gender. So here you can just add all of that. Just for example, daily step goals, distance units, sync with wearable, hidden friends, manage groups. And yeah, so that's the idea, that you can create a group here, create a new group, friends, and just confirm it. Invite friends to the group, and then you will be able to count, you will see the leaderboard of friends. You will see who is in that group, how many steps did you have yesterday, and then you see this nice stats, really cool. So you can see like your this week steps each day. Your iPhone's built-in fitness tracker stores 7 days of data. So then you will see how many steps you're having. Did you reach your goal or not? If you reach your goal, you will see the steps in green. Otherwise, you will see it in blue. So yep, there you have it. That's just like the idea here. You'll also see cheers, taunts, and nudges from your friends. So yeah, pretty cool, like step up tracker. Again, obviously there are hundreds of apps similar to this, but the main feature, I guess, is that you can just invite friends and then you can just make it more social and with friends. So that's kind of the top feature here. So try it out. Free app, you don't need to pay for it. That's another huge advantage of this app. Oops. And then yeah, you can just go and find it out. Just oops, like step up, step counter, step up. So not, you just need to spell it. So step up, here it is. So here it is, here's the app. Try it out.